Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom meeting background on your laptop. This is a great way to maintain privacy, look professional during calls, or just add a bit of fun to your virtual meetings. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to join or start a Zoom meeting, then open the Zoom app on your laptop. Once you're in, look for the settings option and click on it. This is typically found in the main menu of the Zoom interface and gives you access to all the customization features Zoom offers in the right panel that appears. You'll see various options. What you need to do here is select Video and Effects. This section controls everything related to how you appear on camera, including filters, lighting adjustments, and of course, virtual backgrounds. Click on it to proceed. Now, navigate to the Virtual Backgrounds option. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in this section, you'll see several preloaded background options displayed in the right panel. Zoom provides a variety of backgrounds ranging from professional office settings to more casual or creative scenes. You can browse through these and simply click on any background you like to preview how it will look. The selection process is straightforward, just one click, and you'll see the change. If none of the default backgrounds appeal to you, don't worry. You have the option to upload your own custom background. To do this, look for the plus button, which is typically located near the background thumbnails. Click on it and then select Add Image. This allows you to browse your computer's files and choose any image you'd like to use as your background. It could be a branded backdrop for business calls, a photo of your favorite vacation spot, or anything else that suits your needs. Now, here's something important to mention. If you don't currently have your camera turned on, the background change might not be immediately visible. However, once you turn on your camera, the background will automatically apply. So don't be concerned if you don't see the change right away without the camera active. Once you've selected or uploaded your desired background, you can close the settings window. The great thing is that your background choice will apply automatically the next time you join a meeting or turn on your camera. There's no need to repeat this process every time unless you want to switch to a different background. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your Zoom meeting background on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.